Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another trading session here at Trademy. How are you guys today? Can you hear me and see me clearly? Can you please type yes or no in the chat room? Excellent, guys. So I see a lot of people today in the chat room. Good morning, Magnus. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Stephen. Hello, Fanos. Hello, Jeff. Hello, Jenna. Nice people here today, so welcome to our live trading room. Good morning, Mary. Let's start with what I have done so far, guys. As you can, if you are following us on Twitter, so far I have already realized $2,500 of profits of today's positions. I couldn't resist. They were excellent trading opportunities, and that's why we have traded them. However, guys, the current positions I have opened is that I have shorted 20 lots Aussie dollar, and also I have shorted 20 lots pound dollar. Now, my trades will be split in either I will open $10 per pair or 20, 10 lots per pair or 20 lots per pair. According to my statistics and the track records I have done, my research, any trades that are opening with 20 lots in total is a high probability trade. Any trades that are open with 10 lots, it's a 50-50 chance, okay? So have this in mind. Another thing that you need to have in mind, for example, I have 20 lots on Aussie dollar. If you see a minus sign there, it means that if you follow us now, you will get it at a better price. If you see a plus sign here, if you follow us now, you will get it at the worst price than what we did. So these are the current positions I have opened. Let me take the account terminal to the right screen so that I can see clearly my charts. Now we can see that I have done my analysis. Okay, Mary is following us on Aussie dollar. Nice, Mary, you will get it at a better price than what we did. You see that based on my algorithms here, I see that there is a strong resistance on pound dollar and a good countdown has started, so I have shorted it at this price here. And guys, I'm aiming for 30 pips on pound dollar with 20 lots. I'm aiming for around $6,300. And of course, my stop loss is equivalent to that, $5,720. On Aussie dollar, again, I have seen the same exactly set up. Okay, so I have shorted also Aussie dollar. However, Aussie dollar does a little bit of tricks, but I believe that this is again a high probability trade. My stop loss is always set on Aussie dollar at 30 pips, so it's at 74.51, guys. That's my stop loss. I'm risking with 20 lots, whatever you see there multiplied by 2, so I'm risking around $6,000. Of course, my reward ratio is also $6,000 with 20 lots, guys. And that's what you can see, $6,020. Multiply that by 2 because we have 2 positions of 10 lots instead of 20 lots. So if I have any further trades, of course, I will update you guys. Now, what is important to mention here is that I'm monitoring the majors, okay? So the reason I'm monitoring the majors is because of leverage restrictions imposed by ESMA, guys. Now, any newcomers that have joined us, let me explain to you once again how we collaborate and how we operate in the trading room. Actually, we are 2 people here. My colleague Elif, which she will trade in a while the European opening of the financial markets. She is trading indices, commodities like crude oil and gold and silver. And I'm trading Forex. So if you have any questions for the newcomers, if you have any questions regarding any trades you have placed, or if you want to have a personal opinion, not an advice, we are not giving advices here. For example, you can ask me, I have entered long positions, euro, dollar. What do you think, Iriados? And I will be more than glad to analyze the chart in front of you now live and check how it does. Also, don't forget, guys, it's very important to have our social media presence. it's of crucial importance to follow us on Twitter at #TrademyA. Okay? It's also important to subscribe on Twitter. We are posting all of our trades updates, profits, losses, when we start, when we will broadcast the webinar throughout the session, because we are not just trading, we are also posting some educational webinars, very interesting webinars that you can see. You can subscribe also to our YouTube channel, guys. We post the highlights of our trading sessions and also our full sessions, and during bad days and during good days. We have nothing to hide. Don't think that we are winning all the time. We are losing, we are winning. The key is to be disciplined and be overall in a plus, okay? So don't think that we will always make money. The majority of the times we will make money, others we will lose money. That's how the game is. And we have also our Facebook page. You can drop us a like at trademy.trading.education. Okay, another thing that is important, first of all, I would like to congratulate any newcomers, and I would like to congratulate you. Why? Because you have taken the first step, a very difficult step. Yes, Aussie dollar is already making us some money, Mary. Yes, I'm monitoring that. And not only that, pound dollar has made a sudden drop and it's approaching our take profit. So welcome, guys, for the newcomers who have taken this first step. And I'm sure we will do fine, guys. So let's see our account summary and see how our trades are doing for the moment. As I said, for those of you who know me, I don't like to celebrate a lot unless I hit take profit, guys. So currently we are making around $2,000. That's not even 25% of the aiming profit, because I'm trading with 20 lots, okay? And the profit on pound dollar is, let me see, it's $6,300. And the profit on Aussie dollar, it's, let me see, is $3,000. It's another $6,000. So we are making 2,000 out of 12 that we can actually make today. So keep calm and enjoy any profits that might come. I want to remind you that be careful of your risk management policies. We don't want any accounts to be busted here. I'm trading with 20 lots because I have funds of $1,002,000, okay? So be careful on that. Now, regarding news announcements, remember that we are always monitoring the news from forexlive.com, and I will go straight away and see what announcements do we have. From what I remember from yesterday, we don't have any announcements. The biggest announcement of yesterday was about Tesla, and it's not my specialty. Elif will inform you of what happened with Tesla and yesterday. So in a few minutes, I will present it to you to Elif. So for today, guys, we have at 2:30 p.m. crude oil inventories. In the meantime, we have the 10-year bond auction of the GBP, not important. Built-in permits at 12:30 p.m. UTC time of Canada. And at 12:45, we have FOMC member Barking speaks for the United States. So it's a quiet day regarding news announcements, not at all quiet regarding volatility. Look at our euro-yen trade. We have shorted it here and we hit stop loss and we hit take profit, making $2,500. So I'm expecting definitely volatility in the pairs, guys. I'm monitoring all. Okay, guys, now I will short. I think I will short Euro USD. I will short Euro USD, guys. I'm shorting Euro USD, 10 lots. I have just shorted Euro USD. So a nice setup there, 10 lots. So I have just entered shorted Euro USD, 10 lots. Just a moment to determine my take profit and stop losses. 115.97. 115.97. My take profit for that will be 40 pips. Take profit is at 115.57 and stop loss 115.97 plus 30 pips. 116.27 is my stop loss. So let me also put that on my trade. So as you can see, I have shorted 10 lots euro dollar. Stop loss 116.27 and take profit 115.57. That's the latest development we had here in our trading room. So I just shorted as well euro dollar. So as you can see, pound dollar has already is making us some money, half of the required profits, making us $3,000. Let me check before I pass you to Elif if I have any other setups. We have entered it, we have entered it. Okay, guys, I'm shorting now the Kiwi. I'm shorting the Kiwi 10 lots, just a moment to check. I'm shorting the Kiwi 20 lots. So I just shorted the Kiwi New Zealand USD, guys, 20 lots. You see, very active today. So I just shorted New Zealand USD. I have just shorted it with 20 lots, guys. So my stop loss on that will be, let me check, let me zoom in a bit. So 67.45, 67.45. I'll have 15 pips stop loss and 15 pips take profit. So let's go back to our setups. So 15 pips stop take profit. It means that my take profit will be 67 TP at 67.30 and stop loss 67.30 and stop loss at 67.60, guys. So 67.60. So I'm transferring again my account terminal to this screen so that you can see all that I have traded that pair. So I just shorted the Kiwi. My stop loss is 67.60, guys. 67.60, and my take profit is 67.30. Okay, there we are. There we go. Okay, nice. We will see if we will make money. I think that we will make money today. So that's the Aussie dollar. We have shorted all. That's the Kiwi. We have shorted also Aussie dollar. All these have been traded. This one has been traded. This one has been traded. For the moment, I don't have any other setups. Okay, guys, let me recap what we have so far. We have 20 lots short Aussie dollar, 20 lots short pound dollar, 10 lots short euro dollar, and 20 lots short the Kiwi, New Zealand USD. That's all I have for the moment. If I have any updates, if I close any positions, I will let you know, guys. Currently, we are up $2,500 unrealized profits. Thank you very much. I'm transferring you now to Elif for a nice morning session on indices and some party with profits. Elif.
Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to our trading session here at Trademy. Hey, hello Mary, hello Damien, Thanos, hello Patrick and Stephen. Nice to have you here with us this morning. Hello Mary, enjoying this morning session, guys. It was a crazy yesterday afternoon after we closed. I think Kyriakos already gave you some hints about Tesla. Tesla, as you know, Tesla had yesterday, Elon Musk yesterday said, sent a tweet around that he's thinking of privatizing Tesla, which is noted in NASDAQ, And he announced also the price of $420 per share, which would make Tesla the most expensive transaction in this kind. And the market went crazy. The share price of Tesla was so volatile, it dropped, it went up, that it was on trading halt yesterday. Yes, it was on trading halt this morning. It was like, okay, what happened? Nothing happened. Since then, Elon Musk got the title of being the Donald Trump of the share market. I don't know if anybody of you heard about it. Yes, he became the Donald Trump of share market, and now SEC, the Security Exchange Committee of the States, is considering if they should ban Twitter and Facebook for this kind of tweets, because they really move the markets. This kind of tweets move the markets out of nothing, and everybody can put this kind of tweets, and they even consider this as inside trading, because yeah, news like this made the market to move, and maybe it was in favor of some people. However, this was the update about Elon Musk. Now coming back to the European ones. As I told you guys, we have earning release also in Europe, earning release period also in Europe, and they were a bit disappointing. This morning, European shares dipped because the earnings disappointed a bit. DAX lost 0.4% this morning and then recovered. Oh, I see that Kyriakos has a short update, guys.
Okay, guys, markets are moving really fast. We are approaching take profit level on pound dollar, guys. Get ready to hit a take profit on pound dollar. Just a few pips away from our triggering price, we are going to get $6,280, guys. Any minute now, the green button will appear. And if at any moment you can interrupt me, I think we have another 15 minutes for the US Open, right? For the European Open, right? No?
The markets are open.
Okay, markets are open. Guys, the green button has just lightened up. Okay, we are just a few pips away from the $6,280 on our trading account today. Very active trades. Aussie dollar is also in the money, guys, as you can see. New Zealand USD is also making us money. We are in green color today, guys. Hello, Alan. Good morning. Yes, Mary, I think you have taken with us Aussie dollar. Great job. Great decision. Aussie dollar is collapsing. The Q is collapsing for the moment. 3,000 from Aussie dollar. Great job, Mary. I'm very proud of you and well done about that. So, guys, stay for a few moments with me. If you have any updates, you can interrupt me at any time you wish. Remember that we have also shorted euro dollar, is also doing well. We have shorted pound dollar 20 lots, and we are now, as you can see here, just 11 pips away from our, you are very welcome, Mary. We are just 10 pips away from our take profit. I believe a sudden downward movement will be made, guys. Currently, we are making around $6,000. So we are patiently waiting for our trades to close. I see that the leaf has shorted UK. Guys, okay, there we go. 9 pips away from our take profit target and the $6,280. I will be telling you what the leaf does. She just shorted UK, guys, UK 100. She just shorted also Italy 40. Shorted UK 100 and just shorted Italy 40. We will stay here. We are just 8 pips now away from our take profit target. That's a big profit for us. That's $6,280 in the morning. Those of you who have traded with us, I'm sure they will be very pleased. Guys, you can close this position at any time you wish, at any time you feel satisfied, at any time you think that profits or losses are enough. If you cannot stand it, just close the position. I'm leaving the positions open. However, we are just 7 pips now away from our take profit price. She just shorted also gold. She just shorted also gold. We will stay 5 more minutes, and if the position doesn't close, I will transfer you to Elite because she's very active. Okay, guys, we are just 7 pips away, $6,280. Come on, pound dollar, you can do it. This is the pound dollar chart, guys. This is the GBP chart. Let me put the 1 minute so that we can enjoy the real action here. So we are just a few pips away from our take profit target. Let's see, guys. That's a high probability trade. Remember, if I'm trading with 20 lots, it means that it's a high probability trade. Okay, what happened to the MT4 start? Okay, we are waiting. We are waiting for MT4 to respond. Okay, I have a small technical problem with MT4. I'm transferring you to a leaf, and I will update you if you have any profits.
Hello, guys. Here I am again. So, yes, I opened a few trades, guys, and I will explain you now immediately what I did and how I did it. So, I shorted UK 100. It is a nice downtrend, a nice pullback. Oh, I see Kyriakos has an update.
Yes, hello guys. We are approaching. We are just 4 pips away from our take profit. Sorry for the interruption, Elif.
No problem.
So there it is, our take profit, guys. It's very close now. We are just 4 pips away, $6,280. We still have $1,000 to make out of this trade, and it's getting very close now. Very, very, very close. I think we will get it. Okay, guys, I'm closing pound dollar with $5,000 profit. 4,880 profit. That's a good start for us, guys. I just closed pound dollar with some profit, $4,860 of profit, and we have risen our profitability for the day to $7,369. I will update you for any further developments of the other of our trades. I'm transferring you now to Elif. Elif, you can continue. Thank you very much.
Wonderful, wonderful, Kyriakos. This is how we like it. So, for the indices, yes, as I told you, I opened 3 trades until now. I'm short on gold, I'm short on UK 100, and I'm short on Italy 40. Now I was about to put my take profits and stop losses. Basically on UK 100, I have the feeling that I entered a bit too early, but we see. I will put a quite narrow take profit also here to get some position, some money in without expecting a big movement, because in general I believe that the trend, the day trend, is an uptrend on UK 100. I will put my take profit at 7,726, and my stop loss I will put at 7,746. This is what I put. There we go. There we go. So, and on Italy 40, we are making already $200 profit. Let me write them down. So I entered short Italy 40 at 21,834, and my stop loss is at 21,890, and my take profit is at 21,801. So on gold, we are making right now on Italy 40 $300, guys. We are making $300 on Italy 40. This is wonderful, wunderbar. So let's go also to gold to set also here our targets. So here my target is on gold. It's 1,212. This is my target. We are making on gold right now 173. Oh, whoa, whoa. We reached all. Okay, I leave my. We are making $400. We are making $400 on gold. Let me see. I will put it at 1,211. This is what I will put, and my stop loss I will put at 1,213. So we are making right now $350 on gold, and on Italy 40 we are making $317. Nice start in the morning. There we go. There we go. A very, very nice setup. Let's see. Italy 40 is making $433. Gold is making money. Okay, UK 100 still didn't get there. I have to see what it's needed to take any action, but let me wait. We don't make any decisions on an early base. So we have a nice movement. Nice movement. No, I think it's okay with UK 100. Let me see. We see how it will develop and decide accordingly. Guys, this is how it goes. A nice start in the morning. As I told you various times, we might close positions before they hit their take profit. Accordingly, we see how fast the market moves, and accordingly, we might react. Guys, also, Italy 40 is making right now $550, $600, and it's not even 10 minutes ago that we opened it. 600. Okay, come on. 660, and we are very close to hit take profit on Italy 40. Just a spread. Yeah, Mary, Italian queen, and you are the Italian princess, right? There we go. So, come on. We will get there. Our first trade for the day. We will close with a take profit soon. We are aiming here a profit of $785, but I think, okay, let it run, and we will get there. Okay, on UK 100, we still didn't decide. I will leave it to get at least a small profit here. On gold, when gold moves again in our direction, I will close it with a profit. I'm aiming. Yep, it will. Okay, as I told you guys, I promise that I will not get greedy, and even with a fast movement, I will close these positions. So let's have a look also on DAX. Guys, I will open also a DAX position. I will open also a DAX position here. I'm no, gold will not hit stop loss. Oh, I hit stop loss on gold and we lost $270. I put my stop loss too narrow while we were making $400. One small move and it hit stop loss. It's okay, it might happen. It's a very small stop loss. We can get it in. We can get it in. I'm tending to open a buy position on DAX. Okay, I will open a buy position on DAX. I just open a buy position on DAX. Now we are long on DAX, we are short on Italy 40 and short on UK 100. We hit a stop loss. Okay, DAX is making us currently $200. It's giving us $200 right now. $300. $300 somehow, I think. Also UK 100 hit stop loss, guys. We have a bad start right now. However, it's a possibility to get back the money. Now, let me see. Okay, I will go now, guys. Now I will go with 50 lots. Now I will go with 60 lots. I will buy UK 100. I just bought UK 100 with 60 lots. I'm making $500 on. Okay, I will close also my Italy 40 with a loss of $200 because I closed my Italy 40 position with a loss of $200 because I see that the reversal has been reached. So we have currently a loss of $1,400 and we will get there. It's not difficult. So I will open also a buy position. I will open a buy position on Italy 40 with 50 lots. Now that the price is down, I just opened with 50 lots a buy position on Italy 40. I increased my exposure. So on DAX, we are making right now $500 profit. On Italy 40, we have the spread to pay. So I will now the market started to slow down a bit, but I will now put some take profits, and with these take profits, we will increase our, there we go, we are making $800 on DAX. UK 100 started to be in profit. Italy 40 is still paying the spread. Wonderful. We are making $900 on DAX. We are making $100 on UK 100. On Italy, we are making $200. So if we close right now all our positions, we get even, but I will not close them now. I want more because we increased our exposure. What I will do, I will put positive stop losses. So my stop loss is at 12,635 on DAX, and my take profit is at 12,669. There we go. So, and I will all the time move my stop loss. With every move that the market is doing, I will move my stop loss, so I will make a profit. Italy 40 is making right now $200. DAX is giving us $1,060. UK 100 still needs to break through this level. Once it's breaking, we will get there. So I see that Kyriakos has a small update, guys. I will pass to Kyriakos and then we will be here.
Thank you very much, Elif. Okay, guys, let's have a quick update and see how our trades are doing. As you can see, currently we are up $3,000 unrealized, however, and this is very important to mention. Our short positions on Aussie dollar are doing very well. Slowly falling. Kiwi has made a nice drop. It's not so much volatile pair, so that's why my stop loss at the TP is just 15 pips. Euro dollar is dropping nicely. On euro dollar, I'm expecting actually a big fall. I'm going for 40 pips, guys, at 115.57. But I have traded with 10 lots, not 20. $4,490 there on the table. For Aussie dollar, so we have basically $4,500 perspective profits from euro dollar. We also have $3,000 from pound dollar, from Aussie dollar, that's $7,500. And also we have another, let me see, another 3,000. So $10,500, guys, are today on the table for us to get them, and it's up to us to get them or not. So currently we are up $7,360, and we have $10,500 on the table from the current trades we have placed on Forex for the moment. So $10,500 are still on the table to take them, and I believe I have this nice feeling today that they will go on and end very well. However, as I said many times, nothing is 100% certain, and we cannot celebrate unless we actually hit those profits. Now, guys, how many of you has followed us on any trades? I know that Mary has followed us on the Aussie dollar trade. The pound dollar was closed with a take profit. The euro yen was closed with a take profit for the moment. So we have basically only two pairs which closed with profits, pound dollar and euro yen, making us a bit less than 7,400. We have, however, 3 more pairs pending and running. So far, as you can see, the majority of the trades we have covered the spread cost and we are making some money as well. I'm looking for setups now. If I trade one pair, that's it. It's end for the day. So I have traded euro yen. I'm not touching it again. I have traded pound dollar. I'm not touching it again for today. I have traded Aussie dollar and the Kiwi. I'm not touching it again. So I'm looking now for setups on these pairs: dollar CAD, dollar yen, dollar CHF, and euro GBP. If they give me the setups, I will trade them. If they don't give me the setup, we already made some nice money today. We will stick to our current positions, and I believe we can all be very satisfied with our performance today. So guys, as I said, I'm monitoring the current positions, of course, and I'm waiting for setups on these 4 pairs: dollar CAD, dollar yen, dollar CHF, and euro GBP. I have traded euro yen, pound dollar, and I already have positions on euro dollar, Aussie dollar, and the Kiwi. Remember the 9 majors, nothing more than that. So this is a kind reminder for any newcomers. I would like to welcome you to our team, guys. I see here is Fanos, is Alan, is Damien, is Jenna, is Patrick, is Steven, is Magnus. So I would like to welcome you all guys in the live trading room. And I hope you enjoyed today's trading with me and my colleague. If you have any questions, guys, you can type in the chat room. If you have taken any positions with us, kindly let us know about that. And also, if you have any questions regarding any trades, or if you request an analysis or an opinion from analysts, for example, if you have traded long euro dollar, you can make a nice conversation and exchange opinions here at the live trading room. That's all I have for the moment, guys. We are doing well. After the end of the session, which is approximately in 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, don't forget that we will have some educational webinars. Of course, if any position closes or if we place any trades, we will inform you immediately through the chat room of our live trading room. So we strongly recommend that you are always connected with us. The live trading room is open. You can type, communicate in the chat room with us, and that's all. Now, another thing that I would like to tell you is that for the newcomers, congratulations for enrolling to our trading academy, Trademy.com. The biggest opportunity of Trademy, however, is not just the educational packages, the training program is not just the excellent support team, is not just the opportunity that you have the opportunity to talk with the mentors, me and Elif, to design your strategies, analyze your behavior. We can assist you in improving your trading performance. The key advantage of Trademy.com, guys, is that they assign you a fully funded account to trade. What's the point of learning things and never be able to trade them and actually make money of it? And performance payments on profits sometimes exceed 80%, okay, on the profits. The losses are 100% on us. So guys, take advantage of that, take advantage of the whole package, and we are here to assist you with our one-to-one session. If you would like to have a one-to-one session with my colleague Elif or with me, guys, contact your account manager and they will advise you what the procedures are. So that's all I have for the moment. Just a quick recap. We are up $2,000 unrealized. 3 positions on 3 pairs are running. 20 lots short Aussie dollar, 10 lots short euro dollar, and 20 lots short New Zealand Kiwi. The Kiwi. Currently, we have realized $7,369 profit. So, if I have any updates, I will let you know. Liv, you have any updates? All right, I'm trusting you too.
So, guys, we have a small pullback on our indices, a small pullback, and I'm trying to wait. I'm waiting the pullback to finish so I can close my positions. It seems that we are in a range right now, guys. We are in a range and we have to trade during the range. Okay, we don't have, for all of you who followed me yesterday on our live trading session, we had yesterday very clear trends, very clear trends, and we were trading on these clear trends. Today, the market doesn't give us clear trends. It seems that we are in a range trade. You see, we have ups, then we have dips, and then we go again to the tops and again to the dips. Now we have to put our exit levels accordingly. Let's see, that's what I will adjust now my stop loss accordingly on DAX, and I will sell DAX. I have now a buy position and a sell position on DAX, and I will put on my sell position my take profit at 1,200, 12,616. Yep, this is my take profit for my sell position, and my stop loss will be at 12,648. Guys, this is now my sell position. Why I did that? I'm expecting a range, so at least I can trade this range, and when the market moves again in our favor, I can enter again a buy position and increase my profits. I have $1,400 of loss. Until now, I have to cover those ones. I have to cover those ones. So this is what I will do with DAX, because I see DAX has this famous swing, and we will use this move. You see this range, a very clear range. Once the sell position gets triggered with the take profit, I will readjust also the take profit of my buy position, guys. I will readjust also my buy position, and then we see. On UK one, I see Kyriakos has an update. Kyriakos, you want or not?
Yes. Okay, guys, first of all, I would like to welcome any newcomers. I think William has just arrived. So guys, it seems that our trades are developing well here at the Forex Trade Index today. We are making a bit more than $3,150. So let me revise you what positions I have currently opened. I have shorted 20 lots Aussie dollar, as you can see here, and the price is approaching now my take profit. Just a few more pips and I believe we will get it. I have shorted 10 lots euro dollar, and I have shorted also 20 lots the Kiwi. The Kiwi, I think, I'm expecting a sudden drop on the Kiwi, and I believe that we will close the Kiwi position earliest than the rest. Okay, guys? So we have a bit more than $3,000 profit, and we have realized also $7,369 from Forex trades on Euro Yen and Pound Dollar for the day. So it's a very good day, guys. I hope some of you have the opportunity to follow us on these trades. So as I said, we have $10,500 on the table from our existing positions. If they all hit take profit, guys, we have $10,500 profits on the table, ready for us to get them. So I'm quite confident about that. And we see that now the Kiwi is approaching our take profit level. Soon you will see the green button here appear, light up. It means that we are less than 10 pips away from our take profit target. 67.30 is the profit, and now is 67.408. If it goes at 400, the take profit will light up. And for New Zealand USD, we are aiming for $380. We are aiming for $380 on the Kiwi. So we will see what happens, guys. All right. As I said yesterday, guys, I'm very excited this week. Why? Because the Premier League starts, and eventually we will have the opportunity to enjoy some nice football. So just to tell you, I'm a Liverpool fan. I'm supporting Liverpool. We haven't taken a championship for so many years now. However, we have 5 Champions Leagues. So I hope you enjoy, guys, Saturday's Premier League start of the season, especially for the men and the women. Of course, many women are watching Premier League as well. And I hope you have some nice beers there. So, I don't have any other updates, unfortunately, guys. These are the trades I have placed. These are the trades that are running. 2 positions have closed, pound, dollar, and euro yen. So far, a good day, a bit more than $7,000 profit. I don't have anything else to ask, guys. I don't know, have you taken any positions? You can write us in the chat room if you have taken any positions, if you have followed. I see that Mary has followed us on Aussie dollar. Any other positions you have taken, guys? Remember that I'm personally trading only the 9 majors. I don't want to put more pairs. And now here we are, guys. The green button on the New Zealand, on the Kiwi, has just lightened up. And that's good news, guys. Why is good news? Because in a few minutes we will make, and I'm very confident about it, we will make $3,080, guys. In a few minutes, just be patient, and we will get them. Then we will get them. It's not 100% sure, but we have a good probability to get that $3,000. That's all I have for the moment, guys. I'm not sure if Elif has any more updates. Stay with us. Webinars, educational webinars will follow, and if we have any updates, we will let you know, okay? So stay with us. Elif, you have an update? All right, let's go to Elif.
Here I am. Yes, as I told you, we opened a hedge position on DAX, and because of the range which is developing over here, I opened the hedge position, and it's moving in our favor, the sell position. And once the sell position is getting triggered, I'm expecting the price to move up, and to use this move, I opened a sell position as well. That's why I opened the hedge position. And now we are waiting the market to develop. Right now we are making on this trade $100. We are losing on the other trades, but this is just like on UK 100. Let's have a look on UK 100. We have this wonderful uptrend. This is the pullback, and I'm expecting the price approximately to drop to, of UK 100, to drop to 7,730-ish, and there I might enter again a buy position here, because I'm expecting the price to go up here as well. This is my strategy for now. but I'm observing the markets very closely, and I will update you also about the happenings. We don't expect any news today except of oil inventories. We don't have a major news, so the markets might be in a normal range until the US opening. Right now, as I said, we are waiting for UK 100 to drop until 7,730. Over there, we will enter again a buy position, because you see it wonderful. Like it goes up, it hits to this support level here, and here it's very clear. Then it drops, and at this level it starts to go up again. And to this level we want to go, and I see that once this level is over, we will enter again a buy position. This is our strategy for now. We have 4 positions on 3 assets open, and I'm waiting the market to develop so I can take any actions, guys. So until then, I will observe the markets and update you on the chat. If you took any of these positions with me, please let me know so I can intensively check those positions. William, Magnus, Mary, did you take any of these positions? Please use the chat function to tell me about. Otherwise, I will throughout the day I will write them on chat and inform you also via Twitter. For all of you who are not following us on Twitter, we are present on almost all social media channels. We have a YouTube channel, we have a Twitter account, and we are on Facebook. Just let me know if you have any questions. So, okay, William didn't take any positions because he came late. No worry, William. Until now, they didn't develop very well, so I'm currently still looking how I can hedge on them and manage those trades. In the afternoon, we will have definitely trades on US indices, so I'm expecting you guys also in the afternoon to have some nice trades together. And I will until then clear out these trades which I have here. Great. So guys, I see that Kyriakos has again an update. Kyriakos is going wonderful today. Wunderbar, Kyriakos. I'm really proud of you. So please.
Thank you very much for your nice words. You are doing well as well. Maybe not today, but the other days you were doing
not
well.
Yet.
Not me. Okay. So guys, just a last update, and then we will finish this nice trading session. Currently, as you can see, we have 3 positions on 3 pairs. We have 20 lots short. William, you're asking us what time is best to connect this afternoon. Well, we can place trades and adjust our stop losses at any time. Okay, so our trading session started 1 hour ago. Okay, and we stay online with you guys until 5 o'clock. That's 2 p.m. UTC time. William, are you from London? From the UK? If you are from the UK, then it means that you are 2 hours behind Cyprus. It means that we start at 7 UK time and we end at 3 p.m. UK time. There is not the best and the worst time to join our trading. However, Northumberland, okay. So William, the best thing to do is to join us at 7 a.m. Not 9 a.m. 9 a.m. UK time. You can join us at 9 a.m. UK time and stay with us connected until the end. I mean, until the end, until
7 GMT.
It's UK time, not GMT. UK is 2 hours behind Cyprus, so we start at 11. It's 9 a.m. UK time, okay, William? Now the time in your country should be almost 10, right? William, correct me if I'm wrong. Now your time is almost 10 a.m., right? Just type a yes or correct me if I'm wrong. So if it is 10 a.m., it means that we start at 9 a.m. your time. I'm telling you your time so that you can find it more easily. So exactly. So we start at 9, okay, 9 UK time, 9 a.m. And throughout the day, we have educational webinars, we can place trades, we can make a nice discussion, guys, about any questions you have. You can see educational webinars and we will update you on any trades that we close or we place. So it's not just you are coming 1 hour and that's it. It's not just you are coming 30 minutes and that's it. Stay with us for the whole day. Sometimes we will not have so much action. Sometimes we will have action. For example, myself, I have traded a lot this morning. Maybe the afternoon, William, I don't have any additional positions. So it's better to stay throughout with us. You are learning some interesting stuff for technical analysis. We have very good webinars with me and Elif. You can ask us any questions you want regarding any trades you have placed, and we can make a nice talk through the chat room. Okay, William, have I answered your question? All right. So guys, I'm still working bit in new home, so okay, I completely understand that, William. I'm just telling you what is the time duration of our live trading room. Join us whenever you can, and let's hope that you will take advantage of some trades. We have many people like you working. You are very welcome, sir, and thank you for participating here. Any participants are very well welcomed. And that's the end of our morning live broadcasting session, let's say. Stay with us. I have the feeling that we will hit some profits. Remember that we still have $10,500 on the table to take them from our free Forex trading positions. Thank you very much, guys. In a few moments, the webinar will start. If you have any questions regarding any Forex trades you have placed, send me a message in the chat room. If you have any questions regarding any other instruments, CFD, commodities, EBCs, whatever, you can type to the chat room to my colleague Elif. So that's all I have for the moment. $3,400 unrealized profits, $7,300 realized positions so far. You are very welcome, William. My pleasure, my friend. And we will see you again throughout the day. Thank you. Use the chat room if you want to communicate with us. Thank you. So guys, welcome back again. Aussie dollar and Kiwi trades are developing very well. The green button on the Kiwi lighted up a few seconds ago. This means that we are just 10 pips away from our take profit target. Euro dollar has went up, but now has declined again. And that's why our euro dollar is back into profits. So slowly our positions are going towards our direction. Remember that if these trades close with profits, that's $10,500, guys. And a change I have just posted, that's why you need to be online with us all the time. I have changed my stop loss for Aussie dollar. I have lowered it. Before I have it at 74.51. And now I have lowered it down to 74.40, guys. And I have also posted that, as you can see, in the chat room, so that I will keep you updated on that. So everything is doing well for the moment. New Zealand, anytime now, I believe that we will hit take profit within the next hour or 2 hours. So stay with us. A webinar will start right now, and we will announce the title of the webinar in our live trading room. When the webinar ends, I will come back and update you for any changes we have in the situation of our trades. Remember, 3 trades: short Aussie dollar, euro dollar, and New Zealand. I see that Elif has an urgent update, so I'm transferring you also to Elif.
Oh, guys, here I am again. So basically, just right now, our UK 100 position hit take profit. Here we go. We made on this trade $468. Also, we closed our DAX sell position, which we hedged, and we made also $130 over there. We have our Italy 40 position with $504 profit right now. We still leave it to run to get some extra profits to cover our loss from this morning. It looks interesting. Also gold, also DAX is fighting to get in the positive area. So once we close all our positions, I will come back to you and announce you that we break even. Thank you, guys.
Welcome to our webinar, Basics of Fundamental Analysis in CFDs, with Elif Kundakci. By the end of this webinar, you will know the pillars of analysis, what fundamental analysis is, which fundamental indicators to watch out, how to read the economical calendar, and how to implement fundamental analysis when trading. So, let's start. Analysis of Forex trading is based on 3 pillars: fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and sentimental analysis. Today, we will have a closer look at the fundamental analysis. And on further webinars, we will get to know also technical analysis and sentimental analysis. Let's start with the definition of what fundamental analysis is. Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating an asset by examining economical, financial, qualitative factors affecting the underlying asset. In other words, fundamental analysis is a way of analyzing potential moves of a currency due to the strength or weakness of that country's economical outlook. The end goal of fundamental analysis is to derive a forecast and profit from further price movements. So, while technical analysis is analyzing an asset based on the past performance and price action, fundamental analysis is concentrating on the impact of macro and microeconomic data on the asset. Fundamental traders study macroeconomic data, which is published regularly and at a specific time by governmental agencies and the private sector religiously. The key figure include data on countries' labor market, economical growth, trade, housing data, and retail sales. Fundamental traders follow these data releases and news releases strictly, since they expect great trade opportunities due to the volatility created on the market. However, the degree of volatility after such announcements depends strongly on the indicator. That's why it is very important to understand which indicators are important and need to be watched out. So let's have a closer look at the economic data releases that matter. The most important role in moving the price in the forex market, interest rate decisions play. As the central banks are setting the interest rate, they are great movers of the markets. So, interest rates dictate the demand and supply of the nation's currency. This is exactly why, if the central bank changes the interest rate, they force the forex market to experience movement and volatility. Gross domestic price, also known as GDP, is one of the primary indicators to evaluate the health of a country's economy. The GDP represents the total value of goods produced and services provided in a country during 1 year. So, if the GDP figure is growing, it means that this economy is doing better. On the opposite side, if it's decreasing, it's showing that the country is making less money and it's becoming less competitive. Inflation data. Inflation rate is prime indicator of the economical state of a country's economy. Customer Price Index, or CPI, is most probably the most crucial indicator of inflation. It measures changes in the price level of market baskets of consumer goods and services purchased by households. So, if the price for consumer basic basket is increasing, that means that inflation is also increasing. Remember, inflation is directly tied to purchasing power of a currency. So, inflation is affecting currency movement strongly. Employment data is also a major indicator, as it reflects the overall health of an economy. To understand how healthy an economy is, it is important to know how many jobs it has been created. What percentage of the workforce is actively working? And how many people are claiming unemployment payments? So, the US non-farm payroll, as an example, you know all as NFP, is one of the most important employment data, which moves the market. A good reading of NFP should affect the USD positively. Indicators like trade balance and producer price index are all important data releases that all measure production and demand. Now, if a country if a country's production is in a high demand, this country's currency would be also in a high demand. Housing data. Releases like housing data or retail sales are also key fundamental indicators to look at. These reports are released on a monthly basis, and it's important to Forex traders as it shows the overall strength of customer spendings and the success of retail stores. So it shows the immediate direction of an economy. In addition to fundamental indicators, it's important to consider a country's national and international position. Since the value of a currency is also connected to geopolitical events, elections, changes in government, trade policy, and political tensions in the region, which can all cause a wide instability in the market. For example, remember the trade war tension between USA and China a few weeks ago. This tension caused a certain instability and volatility in the Forex markets. A fast, concentrated, and trustful source where you can find all this fundamental information combined is the economical calendar. The economic calendar shows news releases in different countries. The calendar indicates the exact time of which news release the expected impact on the markets. Let's take an example. Initial jobless claims. Here you see the result was expected to be announced at 12:30 GMT. The exclamation marks are indicating the expected impact on the currency. One exclamation mark indicates low volatility, 3 marks indicates a high volatility. For each event, 3 values are published: previous, expected, and actual. The previous value is showing the result from the last reading. The expected value is what the forecast for this reading will be. And last but not least, the actual value will be announced at the time which was announced. So, for the US initial jobless claims, this means a medium impact on USD is expected. While the previous month the value was at 223K, it was expected to reach this month 225K. At 12:30 the result was published and the initial jobless claim dropped and it reached 222K. For other fundamental indicators like the GDP, a higher than expected reading can affect the currency bullish, while a lower than expected reading should be taken as bearish. Now let's have a look how we can implement this knowledge while trading. First of all, be aware of the volatility which may occur during the announcement. This volatility might cause that present stop loss and take profits on existing positions get triggered. So if you don't wish this to happen, reconsider adjusting those. React on the readings. If you understood the concept of fundamental analysis, you will be able to predict the direction of a currency once the result was announced. So, by doing so, you can find good entry points for a trade or identify exit points for existing trades. So, by the end of this webinar, we can summarize what we learned. Now we know the pillars of analysis. We understand what fundamental analysis is. We check the indicators to watch out. We found out that those indicators we can check on the economic calendar. And now we know how we can implement fundamental analysis when trading. Thank you for listening, and if you have further questions, do not hesitate to ask our support agents. Thank you.
Hello guys, here we are again. So I just wanted to inform you also our take profit on UK 100 and Italy 40 just got triggered. On Italy 40 just got triggered and we made $805. So to break even, we are just $44 left to break even, and this is very easy to get through the DAX trade, which is currently giving us $280, $370, $400. We are very close to. Let me see. I'm $428 on DAX. Guys, I'm getting ready to close also my DAX position. Come on, DAX. Okay, I will adjust my take profit. Let me see, my take profit here is at, okay guys, I adjusted my take profit and I'm aiming on DAX a position of $999. Yeah, we will get there, guys. And then we will break even and hit even, get even more than we lost. So we are waiting for this position to hit take profit and we will be happy. In the meantime, we check also our UK 100. It started as it has this nice uptrend. Again, we entered in a very low position and we hit our take profit, and the market still moves up. I will follow the movement that I might enter again a position on UK 100, but I will inform you if I do so. So guys, see you in a short while. We are getting there right now. We are making $700, very close to it was almost there to hit take profit. Our DAX position, now it dropped again. However, we will get there. You see the power of the bulls here. The market will move in our favor and we will close this position with a profit. In the meantime, I opened also a small Italy 40 position because I'm expecting here also the market to move, and I will put my take profit on Italy 40 at 22,000. 22,000 is my take profit on Italy 40, and with a profit of, it's too big. I will put it a bit lower at 21,978, and with this profit I'm aiming a profit of $2,000. Let's see, hopefully soon we will get triggered. The position will reach take profit. I will inform you accordingly. Stay with us. Guys, I decided to close my position on that. The market is in a range as we said before as well. You see it's reaching this high, going to the drop, reaching the high, going to the drop. And this high is lower than this high. And I put on this high here my take profit, but I suspect that this high will not be reached easily. So I will move my take profit further down. I still make profit of 500, of $860. And on the same time, as you see, guys, to be above our price, we have to get another $44 to break even. So I will put my stop loss, I will put on this position a positive stop loss. Let's go here and we put a positive stop loss. Let me see over here. So we will make with this stop loss a profit of $160. So in any case, on this trade, we will make $160, which will provide us the possibility to break even and be above, even if it's a very small amount, which we will be above around $120 for the afternoon session, but still we will break even. We have also Italy 40 position open. I will leave Italy 40 position to develop. So now, okay. However, we put our our positive stop loss, we put our take profit, and we leave this trade to develop, guys. We leave it, and then we see what will happen, how it will happen, and if we get happy or not. I think our stop loss will hit. It looks like that it will hit. However, we made this decision. Now I follow the strategy of Kyriakos. We put a stop loss, we put a take profit. Either it will hit stop loss or it will hit take profit. So I will leave it and we will observe together how this trade will develop. So see you. There we go, guys. We hit stop loss, our positive stop loss on that, and we made $160. So we are above, and we broke even, and we are above. Now we have another trade on Italy 40. We have also a take profit there. Let me see. Let it to develop, and we will enter. Here also a nice profit soon, hopefully. Let me see what is our take. We might adjust the take profits throughout the day, but currently our trade is behaving quite good. What do you think, guys? So let's follow the trades and we will make money.
So hello guys, and hello again guys. Just a quick update of how we are currently doing. Just a moment to bring my account summary to this side of the screen. Okay. So our short positions on euro dollar, the Kiwi, and the Aussie dollar, it seems that they are doing very well for the moment at least. Currently we have unrealized profits of $5,300. And as you can see, we are very close to hit our take profit on the Kiwi New Zealand USD trade. As I said, New Zealand USD guys, this is the pair that you see here. It moves very slow, so it might delay a bit more. It hits our take profit. Our Aussie dollar trade is doing well. Our euro dollar trade decided to drop. That's what we wanted. This is the euro dollar. It has decided to drop down, guys, and it looks good for the moment. So far so good, guys. I will update you if I have any further updates. Guys, those of you who wish to communicate with us, you can type your question here in the chat room. That's the only way to communicate with us, because I see some people are raising their hands in the trading room. If you would like to send us a message, you don't need to get permission. Just type your message in the chat room and we'll be more than glad to answer to your questions. Okay, that's the update I currently have, guys. Our afternoon session is starting in approximately 55 minutes from now. So definitely we will see you live in 55 minutes. If you have any questions, I repeat, you can type your questions in the chat room. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, the setup for my trades has been cancelled, so I'm deciding now to close all my positions. So I'm just closing all the positions, guys. I just realized all the possible profits I could get. The setups have been cancelled, so if the setup is cancelled, I have closed all my positions, guys, and I have increased the profits for the day to $12,750, guys. $12,750. I have closed all my positions, and we will wait and see if in the afternoon we have any more trades to place. So guys, that's a very good day for us here. $12,750 out of intraday trading positions on Forex. Thank you very much.
Hello, everybody. Oh, no. Wait. Our afternoon session. It's an incredible afternoon. It's an incredible day, guys. On the Forex desk, we made $13,000, guys. $13,000 in the afternoon, in the trading session live with you guys. Here you could see each trade Kyriakos put, and he made $13,000. Good job, Kyriakos. We are really proud of you. Good job. Well done. So, on my side, as I said, we closed this morning some positions with a loss, and we covered and we broke even. Now, we are checking. I sold gold and I'm looking for a short breakout to get some money in. Except of this, we observe the markets and we are looking forward to enter our US opening. We are looking forward for the US opening. I told you this morning, guys, the movement with Tesla. And by the way, today during my lunch break, I saw a Tesla car, and they are not very often in the area. And today I was talking about Tesla with a lot of people, and then I see a Tesla car in front of me. I think the last time I saw a Tesla was in London 2 years ago, and since then I didn't see it. Today that I talk all the time with a lot of people about Tesla, I see it in front of me. I don't know, it's Murphy's Law. I see Murphy's Law. Sometimes this kind of stuff happens. Nice. However, now we are looking for the afternoon session to see how the markets develop, and we will have also some scalping positions. Again, yes, as I told you yesterday, guys, I'm telling you again, sometimes we have to close our positions also with a loss. And this is what I did yesterday during the opening, and also this morning I saw, for example, that UK 100 was not developing very well, so I closed the position and I opened another position with a bigger exposure. Happens, we can do that, and it's okay as long as you break even afterwards. Sometimes it belongs to them. So I see now, before the American opening, we have a bit of time, and you know, during the American opening, the stage is mine. So I will now pass to Kyriakos to explain you about his trade and his incredible 13K profits today. And later on, shortly before our American opening, you will come to me.
Thank you very much, Elif, for the pass. Guys, I'm quite confident that Elif will exit 13K during the US session. So get ready, guys. Get your monitors ready. The Elif show is starting. Guys, we had a nice day here at Forex today. We made a few profits. We made some transactions, and we went really well. As you can see, we started in the morning with a short position on Euro Yen. We made around $2,400. Then we continued with a short position on Pound Dollar. We have made $4,860. Then look at the opening time of the trades, guys. Then we continued with short positions on Aussie dollar and the Kiwi. They have developed very well, as you can see. Look at this drop, guys. And then we have shorted also Euro dollar, and we have made $12,750 for the day. Now, I'm not quite sure if I will have more trades for the afternoon session. I'm looking for a setup to be developed on dollar CAD, dollar CHF, and Euro GBP. Okay? And if I see any setup on these three pairs, because my philosophy is if I trade a pair once in a day, I'm not touching it again. Okay? So since we have traded Euro dollar, Pound dollar, Euro yen, Aussie dollar, Kiwi, in the yen, I was a bit late, but the setup was made and I didn't enter it. So I exclude dollar yen as well. My candidates now, my three candidates is Euro GBP, dollar CHF, and dollar CAD. So I'm aiming for setups, good setups to enter positions on these three trades. If we get the setups, we will trade. If we don't, we have made our profits today. I think it's enough for a couple of beers, guys. So I'm not in a rush to push the button, okay? Whenever we have the position set up, I will trade it. Now, before we continue with Elif, I would like to go to forexlive.com, guys, forexlive.com. And let's see, first of all, in approximately 1.5 hours, we have crude oil inventories. And let's see in forexlive.com what are the news announcements for tomorrow. So tomorrow, it's a bit more news days than today and yesterday. We have at midnight, that's at 9 p.m. UTC time, we have interest rates for the Kiwi, for the New Zealand. Expectations are talking about keeping the interest rate steady at 1.75%. And of course, we have the Royal Bank of New Zealand press conference at 10 p.m. Tomorrow morning, after we open our live trading room, guys, we have at 11 a.m., that's at 8 a.m. UTC time, right at the moment we open the trading room tomorrow, we have the ECB economic bulletin, not a very important announcement, but later on at 12:30 we have NHPI on the Canadian dollar and PPI for the United States and unemployment claims for the United States. So we definitely expect some volatility tomorrow at 12:30 p.m. UTC time. So these are the news for tomorrow. For Friday, guys, Friday it will be a mess. It will be a very exciting day. Friday, guys, we have a lot of announcements, especially at 8:30 a.m. UTC time. I call it Super Friday for the British pound. Friday at 8:30 a.m. okay, UTC time. We have GDP expectations worse than the previous month, 0.2% versus 0.3% the previous month. We have manufacturing production for the GDP, again, expectations worse than the previous month, 0.3 expected, 0.4 actual the previous month. We have preliminary GDP quarter on quarter, 0.4%. We have goods trade balance, we have preliminary business investment. So a lot of news announcements on the British pound on Friday at 8:30. Definitely we will be here, and if we have the right setup, we don't care about the news announcements, we'll just trade it and hopefully we can make some money like today. And later on Friday at 12:30, so Friday is going to be a very volatile day. We have for the Canadian dollar employment change, unemployment rate, and for the United States dollar CPI and core CPI. So Friday it will be very exciting and a very volatile day. So these are the major news announcements for tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, guys. As I said, today at 2:30 p.m. UTC time, we have the crude oil inventories. So currently, I don't have any setups on dollar CAD. Let me zoom a bit. No, that's not a setup, not at all. So go back. Dollar CHF, no. Euro GBP, no. All right, guys, I don't have a setup for the moment. We have, as you can see, we have placed some night trades. Currently, I'm left with no positions at all. So I'm monitoring these three pairs, dollar CAD, dollar CHF, Euro GBP. I would love to know, guys, how was your day today? Have you made some money? Have you followed us on any of our trades? From what I know, in the morning, I think William shorted euro dollar with us. You sent me a message, William. You were thinking about long. Then I have stressed out that we are short, but it's up to you guys to follow us or not. But I don't know whether or not you have shorted it with us, the euro dollar. William, I hope you did, and you have made some money as well, my friend. I see that Mary has shorted Aussie dollar from the morning, and I'm sure that you have made some money, Mary. You have made some money. We hit take profit on Aussie dollar. It has reached our target, and well done for this. Guys, just let me know if you have placed any trades, if you have made any money, if you have followed us on any of our trades. As I said in the morning, guys, I'm looking forward for the weekend. Why? I don't like weekends. I prefer to be here and work. I enjoy trading. But on this weekend, guys, we have a very nice and exciting announcement. The Premier League starts. I'm a Liverpool fan, I'm supporting Liverpool, and I'm excited. I feel very excited about the Premier League. There is a big match on Sunday evening, Arsenal versus Manchester City. So let's see if the new Wenger coach will manage and eventually get Arsenal a bit higher than the fourth place that they are used to finish for the last 10 years. It's going to be a very good game, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Sunday evening, guys. It's at 3 p.m. UTC time. So, I don't think we will get the setup in the next hour, guys. So, personally, I'm done for the day. $12,750 profit. Okay, guys, that's all I have for the moment. Let me check and see if we have any announcements, any news coming out from our sources here, forexlive.com. Let me see. I see here in politics on Bloomberg that Theresa May is planning cabinet summit on no deal Brexit. Also, I have read in the news that there are many people, guys, in London who cannot afford the rent of London. And actually, I saw pictures queuing for a portion of food in London. Actually, an interview that was taken by one of the residents there saying that he's a food delivery person. He gets £800 per month and the rent is £600. Imagine how much the rent is high in London. He cannot afford it, and now in London you can see queues for people queuing for a piece of bread, for some food. So people are talking about the hard Brexit. The jobs are doing very well, the salaries are doing very well, but you also have the other side of the coin in London, which is very sad. People queuing for a meal, people who are working as food delivery drivers and they cannot afford to pay the rent. So honestly, I don't know how this Brexit will be and what the impact will be. I mean, the impact has already been reflected on the GDP. Euro GDP, guys, by the way, is trading at 0.90. 0.90, that's only 800 pips below the housing crisis rate of 2008. I remember in 2008, I mean, from Cyprus, we were going to London to buy iPhones because the Euro GBP rate was parity, almost parity, very cheap pound. Great days for us, not great days for the British. And it's now trading very worrying close to that level, and with a hard Brexit, we will see some crazy stuff on the GBP. Hopefully everything goes well and we avoid that. So, we are just 10 minutes away from our US opening, and I'm sure Elif will make some nice trades there. Also, I see that regarding Tesla, it says, Bloomberg says Tesla take private skepticism grows after Musk's funding claim. Musk, as Elif said in the morning, said that tweeted actually, that he's thinking of going the company private, and this has caused tremendous volatility on the Tesla share. Moreover, we see that the ruble slumps as Russia media publishes text of sanctions bill. So we have a sudden decline on the Russian ruble because of the sanctions. And these are the major news I'm currently reading here at Bloomberg.com and forexlive.com. All right, guys, let's go to Elif and get ready for a nice afternoon session.
guys, here I am again. So, guys, let me see. So, here I am. You hear me? Great. As Kyriakos said, so there we go. Yeah, now it worked. Great, wonderful. It would. So basically, what I will do today is I need a bit more space, to be honest, sometimes to check which trades I will enter and which trades I will observe. So that's why normally, you know, I'm having these three screens. Today, oh, this looks nice. Guys, this looks nice, but it's UK 100 on UK 100. I'm not. No, I will not trade now UK 100. What about that? UK 100 looks like a nice uptrend, and I'm tend to open a position on UK 100, but no, I will leave these positions open. Today again we will have a look at USA 500, USA 100. Before the opening, you see this tension on the markets, guys. You see this tension on the markets. It's incredible. And USA 30 looks interesting, especially USA 100. If USA 100, if we wouldn't be 10 minutes before the opening, I would definitely go short over here. On USA 30, I would definitely go long, but before the opening, it's a kind of dangerous to do this kind of movement, and I don't want to risk it, to be honest. I don't want to risk it. Let me see. Let me see here. And we will trade accordingly, guys. We will trade accordingly. I need to open also another trade, another chart. I want also the chart window here on gold. And there we go. I will implement here my nice template. You know, guys, I have a template for this unit. Just to go to templates and it will open. There we go. Elif special. This is the name. This is my template. Elif special. There we go. There we go. I have here my indicator. I add also my extra indicator sometimes. Bulls, let me see. But however, it will stay there. And we observe now the market. Guys, we are observing now the market, and we see how the markets will behave and move. Let's see. And we have another 8 minutes to go until the American opening. And the interesting moment on the American opening will be NASDAQ. NASDAQ will be extremely interesting because I would like to know how NASDAQ reacts on Elon Musk's reaction. Elon Musk had this very crazy, very crazy tweet yesterday. I told you he was blamed to be the Trump of the stock markets. What Trump does what Trump does on the politics. Elon Musk did for the shares yesterday. It was really crazy, and they were discussing even about it if they should forbid this kind of. Hello, Daniel. Daniel just arrived to our afternoon session, just on time, shortly before the American opening. Basically, Daniel, I don't know if you followed us during the afternoon, during the day. Kyriakos managed to make today a profit of $13,000, and now he's looking for possibilities to enter again a position. I'm waiting. I broke even, and I have a profit of $150. I'm happy that I broke even this morning, and now we are waiting for the American opening to trade, guys, to trade. In case that I'm trading too fast and you can't follow, just let me know, guys, and I will explain you what we will do, what we are doing, and what we will do. So, guys, interesting afternoon. Looking for possibilities, looking for movement. As I told you, UK 100 was looking extremely interesting. I want to concentrate on the US indices, but if I would see such a setup like 3 hours ago, I would definitely trade UK 100 at this moment. It's such a nice setup. I would definitely go long on this position right now. But as I told you, I'm right now waiting for the American opening, and I don't want to risk the possibility here. So let's see, guys, what we will do, how the market will react, and we see. So, and as I told you yesterday, guys, if something doesn't work in our favor, it's okay. What we do is we just close the position, and when we see that the trend is in the other direction, we close the position and open a new position with a bigger exposure, and trade accordingly. Okay, guys, this is what we did yesterday, this is what we did this morning, and now we are here and waiting. So, guys, let's see, another 4 minutes to go. An interesting afternoon. Let's see if I see any news about the pre-opening. Let's see if we have anything about the pre-opening. Here we go, forexlive.com. As I told you guys, forexlive.com is the information source. Okay, Wall Street set to open lower as the trade tension escalates. Definitely, it's also an impact currently, the trade tension. However, I don't put a lot of value on this trade tension issue because it's an issue which is ongoing since several weeks, and we are hearing since several weeks on all the time trade tension. So for me, this is currently not very relevant. But however, I still believe that USA 100 might open with a big gap down, and we will get to the trade and react accordingly. Guys, are you ready? Nice, nice, nice. I see. We are getting ready there. We have right now, we are looking at UK 100, USA 100, USA 30, USA 500, also USA 500 over here. And we will enter the markets as soon as they open. I put all of this one I will put at 5 minutes because USA 500 is reacting a bit. There we go. We get already tension on USA 500, on USA 100 shortly before it opens. Let's see how they react, and we will get there. We will get there. So I will put also my take profit here. There we go. There we go. Will be nice, guys. Will be nice. So. Come on here. Let's see. I'm trying to. Okay, there we go. That's good. That's good. So now it's okay. However, now, right now, it started right now. The market just opened and we are looking at it and see what there we go. We see already the first moves on Dow Jones. We see here a movement, upside movement. Okay, I'm going long on Dow Jones and I will put my take profit. I just opened a long position on Dow Jones and I will put my take profit on. I'm putting my take profit, guys. I'm putting my take profit on Dow Jones at 25,000. At 25,000. 637.25. This is my take profit here. And as I told you guys, it might be that you just the market might move against you. Okay, let's sell USA 100. Okay, we just sold USA 100. On USA 100, we put our take profit at 7,000. At 7,000, we are making money already here. We are putting our take profit at 7,425. There we go. Yield, we are making $200 right now. We are making $500. We are making $500 on USA 100. Nice, $700. $600. Come on, what is our take profit? Let me see. We put the take profit at $1,300. Let's close our position with $600 profit. Let's close our position with $600. No, it dropped now to 5,000. Okay, I see. Let's see. Wait a minute. No. Okay, let's go for it. $500, $600. We close the position with. Okay, wait a bit. Okay, let's see, guys. We are getting ready. To close our position with $500 position. Yes, I just closed it. We just closed our position with $500. So there we go. Now the other one. Oh, I see. Daniel wants to see my positions. Definitely. I have right now only just a minute. Sorry. It's just I needed the space for it. There we go. We are losing right now on USA 30. We are losing $700. I'm thinking now. Let me see. I will open now again a sell position on USA 100. And again a sell position on USA 100 with 50 lots, and I will put my take profit at 7,433.70. Okay, there we go. We are making now money. Come on. Okay. Market is a bit slow. I'm expecting a bigger move there. Yeah. Come on. Come on. I think on Dow Jones I will open also a sell position. I just opened also a sell position on Dow Jones. So on our Dow Jones position, we are making right now okay, we need some time until this gets developed. This is not a problem, guys. I'm expecting now on USA 100 to enter another one position to get the move. Now the buyers are, I see it on my indicators. Let me see. Okay, guys. I will hedge also now on USA 100. No, get it down a bit more down, and then I will hedge. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, let it go. We have also today the oil inventory is waiting for us. Getting a bit difficult, but I will buy USA 30, USA 100, and I will close the position, the sell position. We accept the loss on USA 100. We accept the loss. There we go. Okay. On Dow Jones, we are hedged on Dow Jones as well, as you know. We are long and short on Dow Jones. Okay. Let's see how it develops. I see that the market is these 2 days that they can't really decide in which direction they should move, guys. It's been difficult since 2 days to get a direction during the opening. However, we managed yesterday to make money, and also today we will manage to make money. I'm not worried about it. It's just a matter of patience. So I see. Okay, on USA 100, I believe that in a short while we will get position in. There we go. Yeah. Anybody took any trade with me this afternoon? It's a crazy afternoon, I know. It's a crazy afternoon. Guys, if USA 100 drops more, I will open another buy position. I will increase my exposure. USA 30, I don't see a big chance over there. It's we are hedged and we are trapped in the hedging up. As you can see, it's not going up, it's not going down. But on USA 100, I have a feeling the pattern on USA 100 is very clear, and I might increase over here my exposure. Let me see on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, it's stacking all the time on the same level. Look at these. Yeah. It's this level over here. You see, guys? It's always this level. When it comes through, it's the 7,450 level. 7,450 level. Let's put a mark over here. And check the 4-hour chart. Yep, you see this, guys. Can you see that? It's always on the same level. We are looking at 4-hour chart. It's always at this level that it's getting stuck. It's a very, very, very strong support level. You can see that here, here, here. And right now we are on this level, and if it breaks through, we are the king. Will be okay, guys. So until now we closed only one trade. Unfortunately, the markets are not moving as fast as I wish them to move. It's not fast to scalp. I want to scalp. Come on. However, I'm pissed. I'm pissed, guys. However, let me see, what is oil doing today? Oil. We are waiting for the oil inventories. We are waiting today for the oil inventories late in the afternoon. And currently oil is traded at $68. So now guys, on Dow Jones, our one hedged position is getting to, okay, now it's getting a bit more interesting, guys. You see our Dow Jones position, our sell position on Dow Jones. I will put here a take profit for the sell position, which we have at 25,595. It will be a very, very small profit of $200, but I'm sure that the market will move again in our favor. And I want to open then again a long position on Dow Jones and on USA 100. I will open again a long position, and then it's time for me to make money. There we go. So in a short while, I will open again a position. Come on. On a take profit on USA 30 of $200. So there we go, $65, $115. $215, very close to take profit. Ching, ching, we hit our take profit. And now we are getting ready to buy again USA 30. I will just wait for the rebounds, and then I will increase my exposure and buy again so I can get this move. On USA 100, we missed already the reversal. We missed already the reversal on USA 100. Guys, I'm buying A bit more, come on, a bit more. Let's go on the 1 minute chart. A bit more down, a bit more down, and I will buy it. On USA 100, we missed already the possibility, but never mind. Okay, guys, I'm buying now. I just bought again USA 30. I just bought again. I increased my exposure on USA 30. USA 100 started to give us some money. Unfortunately, we missed over there the reversal because we were busy with USA 30, but it's okay. It will get there. So on USA 30, where we put our take profit, let's put our take profit. We want a bigger take profit here. 7,465. Yo. Maybe we will get it a bit higher, okay? But this is the way we make money, guys. Okay. I see that Kyriakos just entered a trade, placed the trade on Euro USD. I see Euro USA 100 is getting close to hit take profit. We are making right now $200. And on the same time, we are waiting for the sharp reversal of USA 30. We have two positions open on USA 30. So, Kyriakos, please, if you like to give us an update about your trade.
Of course. So guys, basically I have placed again a sell limit order on Euro USD. Can you see my screen, guys? No, just a moment. So now you can see that I have placed a sell limit order on Euro USD, guys. So I have placed a sell limit order to short it again at 115.97 with a stop loss at 30 pips, 116.27, and a take profit at 35 pips at 115.62. So correct that if you are following us, 115.62. So we have 15 more minutes for this trade to be triggered. If not, I will cancel it. It has 8 more minutes to be triggered. That's the end of our trading session in 8 minutes. If it's not triggered, simply I will cancel the trade. The reason I have placed this trade now is because the target was not yet made. If you see my trades here, on euro dollar, I had a target of 115.62. And this target, and I have shorted the euro dollar in the morning at 116.02. Now the market told me that I haven't reached that target, which is here, and has given me the opportunity again to enter at the same price of the morning. So that's why I'm going short again on euro dollar. However, if the order is not triggered I will give it another 8 minutes. That's the deadline. I will cancel the order and we will stay as we are. If the order is triggered, I will keep it and we will see tomorrow how we did. Now, on dollar CAD, unfortunately, I didn't see the setup I wanted for short positions, so I'm not entering any trades on dollar CAD. I'm not entering also any trades on dollar CHF because That's the three pairs that I haven't traded, Euro GBP either. So guys, I will stay, if that order is triggered in 5 minutes, 7 minutes, that's fantastic. If not, guys, I will stay with the trades I have closed. Very good day, $12,750. I hope some of you have followed me today on some trades and make some money out of these trades I have placed. And I say, I repeat, if the trade is not triggered, in 6 minutes from now, I will cancel it, and that's the end of the day. Tomorrow, guys, it's going to be a very good day as well. Hopefully, we will have the setups like today. Today, it was an unusually active day, no news announcements, but we had nice setups, as you can see, on Euro Dollar, on Aussie Dollar, on GBP, on Euro Yen, on the Kiwi. I missed the opportunity to short on Dollar Yen, but it's okay. So we traded Euro Dollar, Pound Dollar, Euro Yen, Aussie Dollar, Kiwi. These repairs haven't given me any setup. I think tomorrow is their turn. So tomorrow, I believe we will trade Dollar CAD, Dollar CHF, Euro GBP, and we will take advantage of any opportunities that arrive in the 9 majors. So we have 5 more minutes, guys, for the end of the session. I have my sell limit order there. I have posted also the sell limit order I have placed on the chat room. As I said, if it is not triggered in 5 minutes, I'm just cancelling the order, and tomorrow will be a new day. Just a reminder, guys, kind request, you can follow us on Twitter at Trademy. So hashtag Trademy, our social media. We always post our transactions there and our profits and our losses. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel at Trademy Trading Academy. We are posting the highlights and sometimes the whole sessions recordings of our live trading rooms, and of course you can like our page at Facebook. Now, I want to repeat once again that here at Trademy we have exceptionally high quality training programs. Okay, guys, depending on the program you have, you will be assigned an account manager, a highly skilled account manager with years of experience. That's very important. So we have the support team that can support you and assist you on your path to become successful traders. And also, guys, you can have one-to-one sessions with us, the mentors, myself and Elif. Our role here is to assist people become profitable in Forex trading. How do we do that? By designing together with you guys the strategy, by determining what type of trader you are. Are you an intraday trader? Are you a scalper? Are you a daily trader? We can design your risk and money management strategies. We can take your trading system and adjust it and make it to perform better. We can discuss about how I personally, for example, analyze Forex markets before I place a trade. So all these things can be made in one-to-one sessions, not only with me, also with my colleague Elif. It doesn't matter who you will choose. We both have the same skills and knowledge, and we can assist you both. Now, another thing that is very important, guys, Trademy gives funded accounts. Trademy gives funded accounts. So take this opportunity, guys, to make money exactly the way we did today. Talk with your account manager. Depending on the training program you have bought, you will be offered a funded account. From what I know, funded accounts can exceed $150,000. And Trademy gives a split profit ratio of more than 80%. What does that mean? If you have made, for example, today $13,000 and you are profitable, 80% of that, for example, $10,000 is yours. If you have lost $12,000, then the loss is 100% on us. So it's a great opportunity. Take advantage of it and talk with your account manager for the option of the funded account. Because here at Trademy, I will stress it again, what's the point of learning stuff if you cannot apply it trade live and make money out of it. So invest in education, and education will pay you back. We are offering the whole package. High quality training programs, exceptional support team, nice mentors with years of experience like myself and Elif, and you have the opportunity also to have a funded account and actually make money out of Forex or out of CFDs or out of gold. So it seems that our trade will not be triggered, guys, so I'm canceling now the order. It's okay, I'm canceling the order. We have been doing well for the moment. We have done well today, guys. If you see here, we have $12,750 profit. I will see you tomorrow at 8 a.m. UTC time. Be on time, guys, because tomorrow we will also have again exciting trades to trade with you, and why not make money together. So from me, that's all. I don't know if Elif, do you have any updates? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Bye-bye, guys, from me. I will see you tomorrow.
Guys, here I am again. Unfortunately, our trades right now didn't develop as we asked for. The time, it needs a bit more time to develop, so I will put also a take profit on my second USA 30 position, and I'm aiming for profit here as well. It will get there, but it just needs a bit more time than I was expecting to. However, we made a small position of $400, and that was it. Sometimes during the day we have this kind of days. Yesterday we made 4K, today we made just $500 the entire day. It happens. At least we are above. There we go. No, at least we need to break even, or just get a bit more. Even this $500 more, which we got by the end of this session today, it is a huge money, because this morning we didn't have this $500, right, guys? It didn't work as we wanted. We still have some open positions running. I'm quite positive about them. They just need a bit time to develop, but okay, we see latest by tomorrow morning. We see what happens with them and how they develop, and then we decide what we do. So guys, I hope you could enjoy the trading with us. I hope you could get some extra additional knowledge out of this trading platform. If something was not clear, just inform us about, and we try to help you out. As Kyriakos already said, we are always here and we are always pleased to help you guys. Today in the afternoon, yeah, in approximately half an hour, we will have also the crude oil inventories. Let me see, currently oil is traded at $68.277. Well, let's check. Today it had a strong drop. Let's see how it will develop after the inventories. It's definitely a huge chance if you will be available to trade on it. As we said, you can always trade the news and make profit out of it. It might sometimes be a bit more profit, sometimes a bit less. You never know, but definitely during news you can make some money. In approximately 28 minutes, the inventories will come out. Let's see how they will develop. However, guys, thank you for being with us today, for the Forex desk today. Was a wonderful day. I really enjoyed it. For the indices, it was not a very profitable day, but however, tomorrow we will kick in, guys, right? So let's see you. Let's meet tomorrow at 8 o'clock UTC time here at Trademy.com. Hopefully you will be with us and we will get tomorrow some profits. So have a nice day. Bye-bye.